Welcome back to Daisy Reptiles. I can't tell if that was really bad, but hi guys. So this week we are going to be moving my snake from my quarantine tub that I had her set up in. That was I think it was equivalent to like a 7-gallon. It was just to make sure she looked okay, she was moving okay. I had her in there for, I think, 2 weeks about, if not a little bit more. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But I had her in there to make sure she was all good and everything. The person who I got her from said that she was nice and healthy. She ate the week before, yada yada yada. She was all good. So I am moving her from my quarantine tub to her permanent enclosure, which is actually right here. I did move around my rack, so it went from, now it's my beard dragon, my python, my crested gecko, and then my fish tank over here. And so yeah, it's this is it. I was gonna transition like that, but I also forgot to mention that please subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me, and I don't want to be that like type of person that's like, hit that post notification bell, stuff like that. Like, I hope that you guys maybe get excited for my videos. If not, it's whatever. But, and I know this video is gonna come out late this week because I was having problems with my boyfriend's car, and so I'm literally filming the intro today. I'm posting it like hopefully within the next hour after I film this. I did set up her tank like a couple days ago, and I filmed it, and this is a couple days from now. I'm sorry, there was like an eye boogie. I don't feel like if that part wasn't obvious because you're still watching it, that I don't feel like editing this intro, and I won't be editing the outro. I'm just slapping those bad boys on. So there's gonna be like 6,000 takes of this because I'm trying to get it all in one take. But please make sure to subscribe. You can also follow me on my Instagram, which is the same thing, Daisy Reptiles. And I did restart my Twitter, and it's being shared with my personal and my pet tubing kind of thing, whatever this is called. So that's gonna be Corinne Nikki, which is me. That's me. So yeah, let's just get into this video before I bore you guys anymore, and it's already a 3-minute intro.
Alright guys, voiceover time. So this is the Decor, the 8-liter bag, and I'm going to cut it open and put it as my bottom layer of substrate. This is me showing you the size. So we're just going to pour it in, and I'm going to moisten it up with some water, or dampen it up. I'm sorry, I said moist. Whatever. And then I'm going to put forest floor on top of it and mist that down for my substrate. I also am going to show you the heating pad that I use and the thermostat that I use and me setting it up. And yeah, this is the thermostat that I got. I got it off of Amazon. I'm gonna leave all the links for all the products that I used for my habitat in the description down below as best as I can. And I do set my thermostat to 90 degrees for the hot side. The ambient temperature is, I think, like around like 78-ish when I checked later on that night. And I can't think of anything else to say in this part, so we're just going to play a little bit of this video and skip ahead on forward.
I, by far, think this was my longest video, and I don't know if anyone will actually watch this far, but if you've watched this far, please put a purple heart in my comment section so I know you're the true ones. So yeah, this is it. If you guys want to see anything else ball python related, as far as I can try to scrape together a quarantine tub like setup, I guess, or any kind of feeding videos for my snake, because I know I love watching like feeding all my pets video, and I I wait for the snake part, man. Like we're leaning in. Like I think it's so cool to feed a snake. Like it's not the act of them eating like something that used to be alive, like it's just how they eat. Like they snatch it up and like disattach their jaw. I don't know, maybe I'm just weird and crazy, but thank you for still watching and listening to this ramble. You, again, the true one. So yeah, I will see you guys next week. If you watched my last week's video, you know I lied. I said I was gonna get a video up on Friday and I didn't, and I also was a day late this week, so sorry. But until next time, guys, I'll see you next Wednesday.